Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the phone app. That's where voicemail's live. Tap the voicemail tab in the lower right corner and watch for the visual voicemail list to populate. If you don't see messages immediately, pull down to refresh. That forces the app to contact your carrier. Once messages appear, scan the titles and timestamps to find the one you want. Make sure your network or cellular connection is active so the list can download properly before you tap any message. Tap a voicemail entry to reveal playback controls and details like caller, time, and duration. Press play to listen, pause to stop, and drag the scrubber to rewind or skip. Use the three-dot more menu to save, share, or delete. Choose save if you need it later. If your phone shows a transcript beneath the message, read it to confirm content quickly. Once done, swipe left to delete or mark as unread. These steps keep your inbox organized and searchable. If you can't find a voicemail, first open voicemail and look for a deleted messages or unread filter. Restored items may be there. Next, restart your iPhone, and once it relaunches, go to Settings General About to prompt carrier updates. Install any when offered. If visual voicemail remains blank, toggle airplane mode off and on to reset the connection. Finally, contact your carrier. They control voicemail provisioning. Because often
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.